Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. I am so happy that you could join me. I have got another Fix It Friday for you guys, and I am wearing Sheer Elite. I will link the video over here if you want to see my review of Sheer Elite. She is the 100% hand-tied cap with the lace front, and she is just a gorgeous hair. This color was Buttered Toast. She is on my Fix It Friday because I have a couple issues that I need to address with her. First, I have the lace front, which is beautiful, but the lace is not the same color as my skin. Now, I could put powder on that, but I still think you're going to see the line. So we're going to address that. And then also my other sort of issue that I'm having with Sheer Elite is she's gorgeous, right? She doesn't have a bang. Now I could cut a bang, but I have kind of been getting away from cutting a bang. I actually like this style, but I can't seem to get it to really stay over the way that I want it to. So now I have hair in my face. So we're going to address that as well by using that hot air tool again. This one I will link in the description box below. I bought it at Walmart. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get this wet and we're going to blow and see if we can get her to stay kind of up and over. She is not heat-friendly fibers, so we're going to be really careful when we do this because this is one of the Couture wigs and we don't want to wreck her because she's expensive. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use pinking shears to trim this lace and see if that helps. Alright, so you can all see the lace there. So I am just going to trim that back a little bit with the pinking shears. So I'm going to move my camera so that you guys can see. I'm going to start down here and we just want to be careful that we're not cutting the hair fibers. Remember, all those hair fibers are individually hand tied. And just kind of do little sections at a time. So what the pinking shears is going to do is give us a jagged line, which is going to make it look more natural when it's sitting on our skin, instead of having a distinct, perfectly straight line. All right, so we just have this last bit. Can you see that? Can you see where I accidentally cut hair? Yeah, I'm going to have to pull that out. Okay. Like I said in my first video, maybe we call it fix or flop. I think, all right, right there, it's like sticking up. So we're just going to, how do people hand tie these? Seriously. That is tiny. I don't know how they see. Alright, so I think she looks good. So let's put her on and see what we think. Alright, so before I put her on, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I secure my lace front and how I prep my hair when I do lace front. So, I have this Perfect Edges, which is an argan oil gel. So I take a little bit of that, and I'll have this linked below. I created an Amazon store, so I have all of the products that I use just stocked up in my Amazon store so that you guys can go right over there and click those links to get the products that I use. And I have beauty products, hair accessories, wig products. So all of the stuff that I use. All right, so I take all of my bio hair and kind of slick it back so that I don't have any of those little gray stragglies. And then we have this roll-on, which is like it stays. Again, I have this in my Amazon store. So it's just that. It's just a roll-on, and it's a glue, and it is a water-soluble glue. So when you want to take your wig off, all I do is I just take a washcloth, a damp washcloth, and I just dab it until it releases. So it's nothing major. So I just put this right here at my forehead, just where that lace is. And then you don't need a ton. It takes a little bit. It has to almost dry a little bit to get tacky. So you have lots of time to kind of play around. So let's put that just back a little bit. And then usually I will bobby pin my wig grip just to make sure that it stays on. So I just kind of go underneath where I'm grabbing my hair and the wig grip. Sometimes I'll also put them right here at my temple, but I don't think we need to do that for this video. All right, so we're gonna dive in this baby. And remember, the hand tied, they run a little bit smaller, so I kind of have to shimmy in this thing. All right, now get it where my ear tabs are correct and right where my hairlines start. So take your fingers and press, and there, she is secured on. Now you could pull out your bio hair at the sides if you have bio hair. This has got pretty good coverage. Down here, I don't, like I said, I don't glue all the way down. I just glue that top lace part. So let's just comb her. So we've addressed that lace, and you guys tell me, I think that looks so much better. I really think it blends. Let's go ahead and let's kind of address this, because if I go down, pick something up off the floor, I mean, and I don't want to have to wear like a clip. She's really pretty. I want to just wear her like this. So let's go ahead and grab some water. And I think what I'm going to do is take this back part and just put it up. Let's grab our comb. And all this area here that I want lifted up and over, I'm gonna spray with water. Pretty good amount of water, because remember, this is not heat friendly. This one is the Whisper Light fibers. And I also want this one up this way. There. So I'm going to turn this on medium. And just take my comb and kind of lift it. All right, so let's see how that works. Let's grab this back, comb the hair out. All right, glue those wigs down because there is a chance of 50-mile-an-hour winds coming. Beth's Best Hair reporting. I'm totally a reporter in this. It's really cute. I think that worked. That lifted it just kind of up and over. What do you guys think? I'll come in close so you can see the lace. Everything is secure. Nothing's moving. That's what we like. All right, what do you guys think? You know, you can kind of keep playing. Remember, there's nothing to judge. There's no permatease. Nothing to judge. But I really love the cut of this. And I just think it looks so natural. This is definitely a blonder buttered toast that I'm used to, but I think for summer it would be really, really pretty because I'm going to do more blondes in the summer. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this Fix It Friday and fixing sheer elite in the color buttered toast. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think on how I trimmed that lace, how I prep my hair, how I glue it, and lifting the fibers up and over using my little hot air brush. So I think it turned out really cute, and I really think this is a beautiful style, just a beautiful classic bob. So again, don't be afraid to mess with your wigs, make them your own. Of course, be careful because you don't want to wreck these beautiful fibers. But we have to feel comfortable in the hair that we're wearing. And if we don't, well then we're just not going to wear it. So that is my mission. I want everybody to feel confident and comfortable in their faux hair that they're wearing. So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. And if you want to just leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys would like to see next for a Fix It Friday, and I will try to accommodate your wishes. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I truly love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye.